Hello, everybody. I am back today and I am going to be giving you a recipe of birria de lamb the way I make it. I am making my birria out of lamb, and I'm also going to be making birria tacos. Birria, it is a plate that originates from Mexico, to be more specific, from Jalisco. But the birria can be traced back into the 1500s era. So this is a delicious plate, in my opinion, even though the name is not very appetizing. Because if you do some research, birria back in the day was like called worthless meat because of the goat meat that was added back in that day. But let me tell you, once you make this recipe, you won't stop making it. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to start by seasoning our meat with kosher salt and rosemary. Then we're going to put it in a Ziploc bag and we are going to put it inside the refrigerator for now. After that, we were going to get a pan or a griddle where you're going to drizzle some oil, and we are going to roast our chilies, garlic, and onions. Okay, so it is time to add all our ingredients into our blender, and we are going to go ahead and blend. Once we have blended, we are going to go ahead and take out our meat from the refrigerator, and we are going to add our marinade to our bag. So as you can see, our meat has been marinated for 24 hours, and now it's time to cook it. I'm going to cook it in my pressure cooker for 8 hours. So it is ready. Look how tender it is. It is nice and juicy, just how we want our meat to be. So at this time, I am going to go ahead and put our meat back into the pressure cooker, and I am just gonna leave it in warm. And then I am going to bring my tortillas, and I am going to dip my tortillas into the red sauce, and then I am going to transfer them into a pan that has a little bit of hot oil already prepared. And I am going to go ahead and add our cheese, meat, and then garnishing. You can always garnish your birria with any type of salsa. I prefer red salsa, cilantro, cebolla, and aguacate, of course. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And thank you for watching.